Good morning students. Today we discuss about prime factorization. Already you have learned how to find the factors of the given number. Here, if you take an example as 24, 24 is written as 2 into 12. We know that 2 and 12 are the factors of 24. 4 and 6 are the factors of 24. 3 and 8 are the factors of 24. Now see, 2 is prime number, 12 is composite number. So, that composite number you have to change again to prime number. Then we can write 2 into 6. Now, see, this 2 is the same. 12 we changed into 2 and 6. Now 2 is prime, 6 is composite. That 6 you have to change again to prime. So we know that 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So instead of 6 we can write 2 and 3. So final answer is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now if you take this combination 4 and 6, 4 is also a composite number. 6 again it is composite number. So 4 you can write as 2 and 2. 6 you can write as 2 and 3. So final answer is the same in this method also. Now if you take the combination of 3 and 8. 3 is a prime number, 8 is composite number. How can you write 8 as prime numbers? That is 2 into 2 into 2. So final answer is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So if you take any factors, then final answer will be same. That is all the prime numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. We got the 24. So, what is prime factorization? You have to factorize the number only with prime numbers. That is called prime factorization. Now, all of you know that how to find a factor tree. Suppose, if I take a number 90, you can factorize like this. First method, you can write that number as the combination of 2 and 45. 45 2s are 90. Now 2 is a prime number, so you can leave. 45 is a composite number. So you have to split again. Now 5 9s are 45. Here 5 is a prime number, 9 is composite number. Again you split 9, then 9 you can write as 3 and 3. Now which are the prime numbers you can see here? 2 is prime number, 5 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 3 is prime number. So prime factors of 90 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 again multiplied by 5. Now if you take with this method like 90, I have taken the combination of 9 and 10. Now you see 9 is a composite number, so you can split it into 3 into 3. 10 is a composite number, so you can write it into 5 and 2. Finally what is the answer? 2, 3, 3, 5. That same answer you got. So any method you follow, but our prime factors will be same. Now I'll go for that examples. 3.5 you have to do yourself. You just identify that which is correct, which is wrong. Factor tree I have explained. You can do that with your own. Now, which factors are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number? You see here, which number I did not include? You cannot see 1 as a factor and you cannot see 90 also. See, that numbers 1 and the number itself is not included. Write the greatest 4-digit number and express it in terms of its prime factorization. Before that, with a small example, I will tell you that how to find the prime factorization. Suppose if you take 36, see 36 is divisible by 2. 2 18s are 36. Now 18 is divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. 9 is not divisible by 2, so you have to go for another number. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. And finally 1 like this. If you can stop here also, no problem. Now what are the prime factors of 36? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 1 you no need to write. These are the factors of 36. Now if you take 60, it is divisible by 2 because it is an even number. 2 30s are 60. 30 is also divisible by 2. 15 2s are 30. Now 15 is not divisible by 2, so you can check with 3. 3 5s are 50. Now what are the prime factors of 60? 2, 3 and 5. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Like this way you have to do factorization. Now our question, write the greatest 4-digit number and express in terms of its prime factors. You see, I have written 9999. That is the 4-digit greatest number. How to do prime factorization? You see the method. It is not divisible by 2 because it is an odd number. So we can take with 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Then same way, this is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Now, is it possible with any other number like 4, 5, 6? You have to check with divisibility rule. See, what is the divisibility rule of 11? Can you see, can you remember? This is divisible by 11 because 2 minus 2 is 0. So 11 ones are 11 and 0 not possible. 11 ones are 11. 101. Now what are the factors of 9999? 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 101. Now, next question is 7th one. The product of 3 consecutive numbers is always divisible by 6. Verify this statement with the help of some example. So, they are saying that the consecutive numbers. What are consecutive numbers? That means continuous numbers. 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. Any number 21, 22, 23, the continuous numbers are called consecutive numbers. Here I have taken 3 consecutive numbers as 4, 5, 6. Now you have to find the product of that. 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. 20 multiplied by 6 is equal to 120. Now our question is, the product of 3 consecutive numbers is always divisible by 6. They are saying the rule that the consecutive numbers product will be divisible by 6. Check, we got the product as 120. 120 is divisible by 6. The answer is 20. One more example. I have taken the consecutive numbers as 8, 9 and 10. Now you have to find the product. Product of these numbers, 8 9s are 72, 72 10s are 720. Is 720 divisible by 6? Yes, because it is an even number, it is divisible by 2, and 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 2 and 3, so this number is divisible by 6. And you can do with actual division also. The answer is 120. Now one more example I will explain. One more exercise I will explain. And the smallest number having 4 different prime numbers. Can you find me the 12th number and the smallest number having 4 different prime factors? I am the smallest one, and what are my speciality? I have only that 4 prime factors, that is the least one. If you take least one, then only product will be least. So, which are the prime numbers starting from 2, 3, 5, 7? If you take these 4 different prime numbers, what is the product of that? 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 37s are 210. You got the product as 210. So, 210 is the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. So, check 210. It is divisible by 2. The answer is 105. It is divisible by 5. Answer is 21. It is divisible by 3. The answer is 7. So, factors of 210 is equal to 2, 5, 3, 7. These are the smallest 4 prime numbers. Now, this all work exercise 3.5, you try to complete it. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, you can text me. Thank you.